that one's a different color right now because of the way I got it started.
Yep.
I know, but it's got a wall in the middle of it.
It's just there for support.
Yeah.
Wow. That looks good. These 6-inch ports?
Yes. Yeah, that one's a different color right now because of the way I got it started.
Yep. Sweet. Yeah, I'd like to hear it.
And
Oh yeah, you really hold stakes up.
I got it on my book.
Nice. Skar 2Ks, or 2K and 150.4. Is this what is this wired to?
Yeah, this is actually my load.
We gotta put
That's my high.
Yeah. Okay. So this is at 1 ohm, or you know?
What's the load amp on?
The load wiring on the amp.
Somebody else is playing.
1 ohm or? And what type of stars?
There's ZBX V2.
I'm like, I like this.
We tried wiring it down to a half ohm damn.
Yeah, when you hear it over and over
That's
again.
the RP series. They don't like
Okay.
that.
Sweet. Yeah,
Maybe a
man.
demo.
Yes, I would love to hear it. What was your name?
Huh?
What was your name?
Cody.
Cody. Okay.
Well, wrong key.
Oh, you got some speakers down here too, tweeters, mids.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we want to play.
Play what you know does well. It's up to you.
Everything you see in here, I've done myself.
Oh, so you built all of it? Mm-hmm. Really? Wow. Okay. Looks good, dude. Good job.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Got a lot of time in there.
Oh, I understand, man. And you get it right where you want it, and then you change something.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. All right. What was it tuned to?
What did we tune it to, Daddy? 29?
It's tuned to 30.
30.
30. Okay.
Sit back and relax, relax. We're about to get rustified. And a whole top diamond in the bottom rolls gold. Yo! You gotta start epidemic of this one. Yeah, I know what this is. So, got 30 down at the bottom, 30 more at the top. All invisible set in little ice cube blocks. If I get cold in a drink, call it a smile on the rocks. If I get cold out of price, let's say I'm cold out of life. I got the gun in the white gold. Is the bishop in the morning? I'm taking for the day. I'm making dreams. I might be clear about nice. In my white tee. South Beach. In my white beat. Baby, it's the hood. You can tell when you cut it. It seems like when I'm a hater. Mama love it. Cause when I'm looking at you, girl, clean man. I ain't running. I'm achieving. I got a grill. I'm gonna be the king. You know what that means. It look like now later. Some drops. Telling visions. I wouldn't leave it for nothing. Only a crazy world. So if you catch me in the city somewhere, I'll be never just like you. What you looking at? Let me see my boy.
Play a different one with a little bit lower tune.
Okay.
That song was making the doors wave while ago.
Oh my.
He was waving.
Huh?
That song was making the doors wave while ago. I can't remember what song it was. He does. He's got a real.
How low do you play down to?
I'll play down to about 29.
29. Okay.
They don't really like it, but
Yeah.
it'll play it.
Making beats for the streets and ladies screaming in the seats. It's DJ Rustical. climbing in the bottom, rose gold. And a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Thank you, man. Woo. Thank you. That was perfect. We're good, man.
It went into protect mode.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
went a little too high on the volume.
Dude, that was awesome, though. Thank you for showing me.
Hell yeah.
What was your
no
name?
problem at all. Cody.
Cody. Jacob.
Hey, you bassheads,
I got
it's
it, man.
DJ
Thank you.
Rustical.
That's enough. That's good footage, man. Appreciate
Oh,
it.
yeah, no problem, man.
Nice to meet you. Could you
It's
open the
that
back up for a
guy.
picture?
Yeah,
Don't make
yeah.
it.
Awesome.
He's got a CES 320.
320? Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.